Have you ever stopped to consider the tiny world beneath your feet? You might think humans hold the monopoly on genius, but the leafcutter ants would like a word with you. These little creatures might not look like much, but they are the masterminds of the insect kingdom. Today, we're diving into 3 mind-blowing facts about the genius of leafcutter ants that will change the way you see them forever. Fact number 1, they farm, yes, farm. Let's start with the craziest revelation of all: leafcutter ants are farmers. But they're not farming leafy greens for themselves. Oh no, they're on a whole other level. These ants cut leaves, carry them back to their underground nests, and use them to grow fungus. That's right, fungus farming. They don't actually eat the leaves, they've evolved a symbiotic relationship with a specific type of fungus that they cultivate as their primary food source. It's like a little fungal garden deep underground, complete with compost piles. Humans didn't invent agriculture until about 10,000 years ago. But leafcutter ants? They've been farming for over 50 million years. Take that, civilizations of ancient Earth. These ants have been living our farmer dreams since the dinosaurs. Fact number 2, their colonies are like supercomputers. Who needs artificial intelligence when you've got leafcutter ants? The organization of a leafcutter ant colony is like the inner workings of a high-tech supercomputer. Each ant has a specialized job perfectly tailored to its size and role within the colony. There are the leafcutters, the carriers, the fungus caretakers, the garbage collectors, and more. But here's the kicker: there is no central leadership. All of this intricate coordination happens through simple chemical signals, known as pheromones. Somehow, millions of ants work in harmony, building vast underground networks that can stretch over 100 feet wide. If that's not a marvel of decentralized intelligence, I don't know what is. Fact number 3, they've got antibiotics, before we did. Here's one that'll really blow your mind. Long before humans discovered antibiotics in the 20th century, leafcutter ants were already using them to protect their crops. You see, farming fungus isn't without its challenges. Harmful bacteria and other rival molds can threaten their fungal gardens. But the ants figured out the secret to pest control millions of years ago. They've cultivated a special species of bacteria on their bodies that produces antimicrobial compounds. These protect their precious fungus from harmful microorganisms. That's right, while we were still trying to figure out fire, leafcutter ants were biochemists, cultivating customized medicine for their crops. Incredible, isn't it? Farming pioneers, organizational geniuses, and natural-born chemists, all packed in a body smaller than a fingernail. Next time you see a line of ants carrying leaves, remember, these tiny creatures are not just workers. They're innovators. The next time you think of geniuses, don't forget to include the humble but magnificent leafcutter ants. Nature's genius knows no limits.